In the 8th Gen Civic, that's 2006 through 11, you can program the auto door lock or auto door unlock into 2 different modes, or turn that auto function all the way off. And I'm going to walk you through how to go about doing that. First off, check your glove box. You probably have a little manual like this, and in there will be a section on the door locks. So if you'd rather read instructions instead of watch a video, then here, pause the video on this and read through here. Here's how to change the auto door locks, and here's how to change the auto door unlocks. Let me start by saying, if your car is already automatically locking the locks and you want to change it into the other mode of automatically locking or unlocking, you first have to turn the function all the way off. So you have to walk through the programming steps to turn off all the auto lock or unlock functions. With that in mind, let's start here by walking through how to turn off all your automatic locks and off all the automatic unlocks. To turn off all the auto door locks, let's do this. Set your parking brake, which I've done. Open up your driver door. Turn your key to the on position, which is just before start. Now let's press and hold this door lock button for about 5 seconds. You'll hear it click. There it went, and now you can turn your key back to the off position. That's it, and then that should have turned off all the functions to where your locks are automatically locking. You can program your car to lock the doors in 2 ways. The first way is if anytime you move your car outside of park, it will lock the doors. The second way is it doesn't lock the doors until you start driving. You hit about 9 miles an hour and then it locks the doors. First, let's walk through how to program your car to lock the doors anytime you change out of park. You want to start without any functions programmed in. So go ahead and walk through the process to turn off all your auto lock functions that I just showed you. Once you've done that, you're now ready to program. So let's do the following. Make sure that you're in park, and then make sure your door is closed. Let's turn our ignition switch to the on position, and let's hold down this driver's door lock to the lock position. About 5 seconds it'll lock. There you go. Now we're going to turn our switch to the lock position. All right, now that is park mode. That means if I'm going to start my car here. Now, anytime I move this car outside of park, you should see the door locking. There you go. Door locked. That is called park mode. If you want to program your locks to only lock when you hit about 9 miles an hour, do the following. First, make sure you remove all your locking programming by turning them all off, like I showed you earlier. Now let's program it. Let's shut the doors. Let's turn your ignition switch to on. Let's apply the parking brake. And now put your brake pedal on, move your shift lever out of park, so any other gear besides park. Now let's press and hold this door lock switch on the driver's door. You'll hear a clicking sound, and then about 5 seconds, another click. Now, put it back in park, turn your lock off. There you go. That should have done the drive mode. All right, so let me hit 9 miles an hour in my driveway here and see if the doors lock. There it went. You probably heard the doors lock. Okay, now let's turn off all the auto unlocking functions, which is a similar process. You just hold the unlock side of the button. So set your parking brake, which I did. Open your door. Turn the key on. And now press the unlock side of your button. Hold it for 5 seconds till it clicks. And then turn your key off. Okay, and that's it. That should have turned off all the automatic unlocking functions. You can program your car to automatically unlock when the shift lever is moved into park. You can tell it to either unlock the driver's door only or all the doors when you go into park. So let's walk through that. First, let's apply the parking brake, which I've done. Let's make sure that you're in park. Let's turn your ignition switch to on. And now let's hold the rear of the lock button, the unlock side. In about 5 seconds, you'll hear it click. That's for your driver's door only. And if you want all the doors, keep holding it for another 5 seconds until it clicks again. Now, turn the lock to off. And that is your automatic unlocking function. To test that out, I'm in drive here. My car's started. I'm going to lock my doors. Now, when I go into park, all the doors should unlock. And they did. All my doors unlocked, so that worked fine. If you have one of these unlock modes programmed on and you want to change it into the other mode, you'll first have to walk through how to turn off all of your automatic door unlocking, like I've already showed you. So go back and walk through that. The other unlocking mode is to unlock either the driver's door or all doors when you move the key to the off position. So if you want your doors to unlock when you turn your key off, do the following. So let's apply the parking brake like I've done. Let's turn your switch to on. Make sure your door is shut. Let's hold the brake down and take it out of park. Now we're going to hold down the unlock side of the button for 5 seconds until it clicks. That's the driver's door only. 5 more seconds if you want all doors to do the same. Now, turn your key to the accessory position. That's just one click back. And now we're going to put it back into park and turn your key off. And that should have done the trick. Okay, let's test this out. My car's running. I'm in park. Doors are locked. I'm going to go into drive just for fun. Put it back in park. Nothing happened. Turn my car off. Doors should unlock. And they did. Doors unlocked, all my doors. And that's it. So there you have it. You can either turn off all your automatic door locking functions or unlocking functions, or program into a couple different modes. Hope this video helped you all out, and if it did, give me a thumbs up and follow for more useful Civic videos.